We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. Let's look. What is that? It's tall and tan and troubling. Is that a field? Yep, that's a field. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. What should we do? Have to go through. Let's go through. Swish, 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 swish. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. What is that? It's wide and windy and wet. Is that a river? Yep, that's a river. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. What should we do? Let's go through. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. Ooh, what is that? It's deep and dark and damp. Is that a cave? Yep, that's a cave. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. What should we do? Let's go through. Tippy-toe, tippy-toe, tippy-toe. What's that? It feels like a nose. Is that an ear? Fur? A mouth? Are those teeth? Let's turn on the light and see. Yikes! It's a bear! Tippy-toe, 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 tippy-toe. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. Swish, 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 swish. Back into the house. Shut the door, lock it. Whew. I wasn't scared. Ah! Today's book is written by Karma Wilson. It's illustrated by Jane Chapman, and the title is Bear Snores On. What's a snore? Can you guys make a snoring sound? So what the bear is doing, do you see any other animals? I see a tiny mouse, a hare, a mole, a badger. In a cave, in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear, kind of like this guy. Huddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl. But the bear snores on. An itty bitty mouse, pitter pat, tiptoe, he crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by. Sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew and a chomp and a crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night." "What a storm," twitters wren. And everyone clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear chew! He blows and he sneezes and chew, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me? I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end. Do you know why that brown bear was sleeping in our story? He was hibernating during the cold winter nights. And then, when spring pops back up, he can venture back out.
If you want to see more fun programming, be sure and check out the library's YouTube channel. Bye-bye.